Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself running out of space on your Power BI report canvas, or maybe you just want a little more room to get creative with your visuals, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know step by step how to increase your page size in Power BI Desktop, giving you that extra space to build more detailed and impressive dashboards. So let's jump right in. First, take a look at your report canvas. You might notice it's feeling a little cramped, especially if you've been adding chart after chart and suddenly you realize there's just no more room to work with. Instead of squeezing things in or deleting visuals, don't worry, expanding your canvas is easy. The first thing you'll want to do is simply click anywhere on an empty area of the canvas. Make sure you're not clicking on a visual itself, but on the blank space around them. This is important because it ensures you're actually selecting the canvas, not an individual visual element. Sometimes it helps to zoom out a little for a better view if your screen feels cluttered. With the canvas selected, look over to the Visualizations pane and go to the Format Visual option. If you're not familiar with it, this is where you can style visuals, but it also has some powerful page settings. Now, within the formatting options, look for something called Canvas Settings. Depending on your Power BI version, it might be neatly tucked under a menu, so give yourself a moment to scan through. It might take a second, and that's perfectly okay. Don't worry if you don't see it right away. It's easy to overlook on your first try. Once you find Canvas Settings, you'll notice there's an option labeled Type. Next to it, there's a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that drop-down. By default, it's probably set to one of the standard page sizes like 16:9 or letter. What we want is a custom canvas size, so choose Custom from the list. Setting your canvas type to custom frees you from the regular size limitations and lets you adjust the height and width exactly how you want. Think of this like laying out a bigger poster board for your data story, instead of sticking to a postcard. Now you'll see boxes where you can enter the exact dimensions in pixels. This is where you decide just how much extra space you need. If you're not sure what size to use, start by increasing the width or height by a few hundred pixels at a time. For example, if your visuals are getting squished, adding more width makes everything feel roomier. Maybe you want to fit in a new slicer or present side-by-side charts for a client presentation. Just type in your desired numbers, and if you want a real-world comparison, imagine you're resizing a digital canvas, just like stretching out a Word document to make space for more content. Once you press Enter or click Away, you'll instantly see your canvas size update. It's a satisfying moment. Suddenly, there's all this new space to rearrange your visuals, add annotations, or build out those flashy report sections you've been dreaming about. If it doesn't look quite right, don't stress. You can always come back and tweak the numbers until it feels perfect for your design. And that's all there is to it. You've just unlocked a really handy trick for customizing your Power BI canvas, allowing for even more polished and flexible reports. If you found this tip helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below. I love helping you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick Power BI tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.